Okay, last technique in the laser guard system. We're still looking at this cross grip, benefits of having a good cross grip. Say Tyrone has me in 100 kilos. So it's just a situation where Tyrone has me in the cross face, but his near side or his far side arm is on my near side hip. Again, why would people do this? Let's just say he had the cross face underhook, and here's the underhook here. And say I'm very good at putting people back in my guard. I've made the wedge at the near side hip. I've got my knee beside his hip. I do a little stretch and connect my knee to my elbow, and then I can start pulling myself into guard. You get people that get sick and tired of getting put in the guard, so instead of having the cross face underhook, he will bring his right arm and drape my near side hip. It would be impossible for me to put him in the guard now. So my right hand is just going to come through, and I find the sleeve of his right hand. My other hand's going to come inside, and I'm just going to frame at his neck. And now from this position, I'm going to bridge towards Tyrone. Once I get to there, I'm keeping him away with my left hand. That creates the space so I can physically run away from him. I'm flat on my back, I'm going to turn on my left side, and we end up here. And I build the base from my shoulder to my elbow to my hand. So the detail is, I don't let him grab my pants. If I do, I'm not going to be able to do this move. I'm here, but I'm baiting him into taking my back from here. That left arm is going to come around and grab. We've covered something similar earlier in the mesocycle. So we just unwind that. So from that position, I take his arm up and I move towards his left arm as I bring my head down, which unwinds the choke. And by sheer luck, we're back into laser guard. Let's just do it. You're on this side, bro, so you can see what I'm doing with my right hand. So again, this would just be if he had the 100 kilos position, which is a cross face, and he's using his right hand to control my near side hip against probably people that are very good at putting you back in the guard. So watch what I'm doing with my right hand is wedging at Tyrone's near side hip. It's going to come to the far hip, and I physically reach through and I find the sleeve of his right sleeve. My left hand's going to just come in and I make a frame at his neck, and then I physically have to push on his shoulder to create the space so I can turn into him. Now that frees up my ability to turn away. So from there, I'm on my right side. I'm just going to turn onto my left side, build a base from my elbow to my hand, and I'm making sure that he's stiff arm this. I don't want him grabbing my pants. From there, as Tyrone's arm comes around, which is a good reaction for him to do, I just bring this over my head, scissor my legs, unwinding the choke, and now from there we are back into laser guard again. Just one more on that, just from this side. So he's got 100 kilos here. So again, right hand comes through, makes that grip on the sleeve. Left hand comes under the throat. So my left hand cups his left shoulder, and I do a slight bump to bridge into him. I keep him in that space that I've created, so now I have to free my right shoulder. So as I turn, my right shoulder's free, and I come up onto my elbow and I just push him this way. More than likely, he's got arms coming around. The second does, even if he grabs the collar, I'm just bringing this arm above my head, turning to face him. And now I have that 2-on-1 grip, and we are back into laser guard. So, just another way of using that cross grip from a different position rather than guard.